Time once again to play our fun legal game, Case or No Case. And this week, Cindy and I have to figure out which of 3 slip and fall cases is real.
Joining us now is our Case or No Case attorney, William Franchi, and he has the cases prepared.
Yes, and thank you for having me again.
Of
good
course,
to have you
William.
here.
All right.
All right, so number 1, all these are slip and falls.
Okay.
So our first one, a woman walks into a big box store. Ahead of her, there's a child playing near an end cap freezer, pulls an orange rag out from this freezer, plays with it a little bit, leaves it in the middle of the aisle, walks away. 30 seconds later, the woman walks in to the aisle, pushing her cart. She leaves her cart, steps away, walks down towards this orange rag. She's looking at a product on the shelf. She steps on the rag, slips, falls, gets hurt.
Okay. That's one.
So that's number 1. Number 2, man walks in a grocery store. Grocery store has nice white floors. He's walking down the aisle. He's in the motor oil aisle. This store sells a lot of different things. Motor oil, 8 minutes before he walked down that aisle, had fallen off the shelf onto the floor, leaving a puddle of oil. He's looking at a product above his head. He steps in the oil, slips, falls, and gets hurt. Next, woman walks in a grocery store. Again, bright white floors. She's going to get water, so she's walking down the water aisle. About 18 minutes before she gets to that aisle, water fell off that shelf onto the floor, spilling water all over the place. She steps in that water as she's looking for her product, slips, falls, and gets hurt.
Okay. All right, now listen, just in hearing these, I heard 30 seconds in the first, I heard 8 minutes in the second, then 18 minutes. I have 18 minutes. I have a feeling that has something to do with the time factor, but because water is clear, motor oil is very visible on a white floor, and so is the orange rag. I'm going to go with number 3.
I, too, will go with 3.
All right, well, let's see.
All right.
And it is 3.
You were both right.
Now explain for everybody at home why those first 2 people don't have a case.
Sure. Well, and slip and falls are very intricate and very detailed. You definitely need to call a lawyer and discuss your case with the lawyer because slip and falls are just very difficult. The first one, 30 seconds. Really, I can't find a way that's going to be enough time because the store has to be put on notice of the condition.
The fact that was only 30 seconds.
Correct. The orange rag on the floor, you have an obligation to avoid a danger. Bright floor, orange rag, she should have avoided that. Number 2, we get into a little gray area. 8 minutes, is it enough, is it not enough? That really becomes a legal question, It's kind of like the bar exam, which one was the best answer? And number 3 was the best answer today. So 8 minutes, you may actually be able to show that they should have, or if their store policy is every 5 minutes they're checking and they're at 8, then they could have some problems. But the oil is going to be a problem for the man as well because he should have avoided that. The water's nice, clean case, if you will. Plenty of time has passed. The water's clear. The floor is white, tough to see. So that one would be the best answer.
Makes a lot of sense.
I guess we're ready to be
well
lawyers.
done. Here we go. Bam. All right, to contact our Case or No Case attorney, William Franchi, just go to TampaLawfather.com.
William Franchi, thank you very, very much.
Thank you.
Keep them coming. Daytime will be right back.